Hi, my name is Sue and I am one of the content authors here at Learning by Questions. I'm going to spend just a few minutes talking about our content and feedback and how this fits together to work for you and your pupils in the classroom. At Learning by Questions, we have various types of question sets, as can be seen in the image. All of these serve a distinct purpose. To give you more insight, I'm going to look at mastery question sets in more detail. Mastery question sets are designed to guide pupils through a topic from the straightforward to the complex. Each question set is structured to take pupils through a series of incremental steps, increasing in challenge. Pupils can therefore work through at their own pace, using the feedback to secure their knowledge, which promotes confidence and independence. This frees up the teacher's time and expertise within the classroom. Mastery question sets are made up of 4 levels: understanding, fluency, reasoning and problem solving. The best way to show you how this structure works in practice is to highlight a few of our questions from one of our question sets. The question set I've chosen to look at is solve direct and inverse proportion problems. Question 1 typically introduces a topic and in this case addresses the concept of a multiplicative relationship. This notion underpins the entire question set. The next question in this set introduces the idea of inverse proportion, where misconceptions can commonly occur. The use of a real-life context here is designed to help pupils make connections with the content and avoid or overcome the misconception. The image supports this and aids recall. By question 4, pupils start to complete calculations involving inverse proportion, and the image is key to supporting this, demonstrating and underlining the inverse link between the 2 variables in the question. This image support is carried on throughout the understanding level. By question 12, we are in the fluency level, where the pupil's confidence will be growing and therefore the image support is reduced to promote resilience. Fluency questions continue in this vein so that pupils have the opportunity to practice and embed new skills. Question 22 is an example of a reasoning question, where we come back to a key misconception and look to assess the pupil's understanding of this. The open response here makes it ideal for opening up a discussion in the classroom. Our final example, question 28, is a complex multi-step problem. The image provides a hint for the pupils as to how they may look to solve the problem, but the rest is up to them. Having shown you how the structure of our question sets helps to guide pupils through a topic, I am now going to move on and have a look at feedback. In some respects, the most important part of what Learning by Questions does is in the feedback. In this section, I will look to show you how the interplay between our carefully structured questions and high-quality feedback enhances pupils' learning, increasing their engagement and building their resilience. Learning by Questions feedback is planned. Questions are written to challenge pupils and will often expose common mistakes and misconceptions. Feedback is designed to correct these misconceptions immediately and ensure that they don't become embedded. Feedback is presented to students privately and is based on their individual answer, so it is relevant to them and they can act on it in the moment. Learning by Questions feedback is designed to prompt the pupils in their response and is directive or epistemic, not corrective. It doesn't give pupils the correct answer, it gives them the steps to find the correct answer or information to use to work out the correct answer. And most importantly, our feedback makes students think and engage with the learning. I want to take this opportunity to show you feedback to an open response question. This feedback is different as it provides a model response. Open responses are arguably one of the most useful in-class learning tools and set Learning by Questions apart from many other products. Pupils can compare their answers to the model answer and identify areas for improvement, which is an important part of building independent, resilient learners. Teachers can use pupil responses as part of class discussion to identify misconceptions and to develop pupils' deeper understanding. I hope this slideshow has given you a feel for the quality of Learning by Questions content, but please don't just take our word for it, let our pupils say it for us.